Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night to wherever you are in the world. I do not know. It is P1, the homie. Alright, forget about all that intro of P1 because you know who I am. You're watching the video. What's up? If you don't know who I am who I am. I am who I am, who I say I am. Alright, but the day has begun. I had drank the coffee already. I didn't eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. I just drink coffee for breakfast. I got some plans. I got to change the oil in the car. So we got to change the oil in the smart car today. And we're just chilling. Yeah, let's get this car going. Get at it. Let's just get at it. Let's get out there. Let's get that oil change. And then we'll see what happens. You know, let's do it. You. Get the genie for the garage. The garage door open. Be able to open the garage. I don't got the key. JJ has the key. I don't have the key. JJ never made me a key yet. So I gotta use this thing. Hey, there's a smart car. Hi, smart car. Heck yeah, Cobalt SS, look at that. Can you see it, ZZP? I don't think you could. I don't think you can see it. The junk all over it. All I wanted to do was this. And there's the smart car. Alright, we're here. Let's get this oil changed. The stupid smart car has like the drain bolt is like a big old, like huge, like 24 millimeter, something really dumb. But so I don't even have like the proper wrench for it. Hoping I can still get it done. Let's see. And I don't even have a tool to take off the oil filter either. I'm hoping my hands could strangle, you know, manhandle it. But before I even get started, I'm trying to get some tunes going. I'm just gonna zone out, play some tunes. Safety first, right? Want to get oil on your fingers. All right, let's see if we can get this damn. We gotta jack it up first. Let's see. The whole side of the car. Alright, what do we got underneath here? There's the oil filter. It's kind of dark, and there's the dumbass drain plug right there. I can't get the damn drain plug off with that stupid adjustable. I need like a real wrench. Adjustable just doesn't grab it. It's like almost an inch, that bolt, that nut, drain plug bolt, whatever the hell. Alright, so we had a little hiccup there. I can't do the dang oil change because I don't have a, it's like a 24 or 26 millimeter drain plug bolt, and I don't have a big. Well, all right. Check in, report. I cut my finger. You see it? It's pretty bad. It's like a deep cut. It's like, I don't know. But yeah, I can't do the dang oil change on the smart car because I don't got the right tools. The stupid drain bolt is huge. It's like 24 millimeter. So I gave up on that. I started doing some cleaning up upstairs. We're getting a kitty cat soon, so I was getting the cat's litter box area and ready and throwing out some stuff. Changed the power strip from Sonny's computer. I'm just like organizing a little bit, throwing it away. I just stopped now because I cut my finger. I should have had the gloves on. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a break. I gotta look for a band-aid. I'm gonna just play video games and chill out probably. I'm done with working on the car because of my finger. Alright, so started getting hungry, so we cooking bacon. Slow cooking some bacon. Watching some skateboarding on the tube. I got the Rasher video going. It's a pretty good one. So far, this guy's good. A nice day out. Should go walk around the neighborhood or do something. Get out of the house after breakfast. Alright, so it's upsetting, but I was not able to do any work on the smart car today. I did take care of some other stuff in the house. And yeah, I don't know, I got some other stuff to take care of. I got some garbage to throw out here. Throw out this recyclables. I was wondering if the drink was. Alright, so the lawnmower has been giving issues. Let's see if I can get this thing started. Sounds like there's something still hitting with the blades. Something's not right. Something's not right in there. He hit a tree stump and busted the blade, bent the blade up. Check this out here too, look. The whole mount is busted there. You can see that? It's too dark in there, maybe. Now you can see it. See? Alright, I should have recorded earlier, but I didn't do any of it. The lawnmower was having issues. We took it apart. I got it back together, it's working. I'm cutting the grass. Let's mow the lawn. We did the front yard already. Let's do the backyard. I ran over a bungee cord. That's it. Grass is cut. Fixed it. Alright, we're gonna go to Uncle Jono's house. We're gonna get some food first. We're gonna get some taco meats and some steak stuff, some tortillas. We're gonna make some tacos. The stinky cheese in the bag. We need more cheese though, that's not enough cheese.